In today's video, we're gonna learn how to create high quality subtitle like Paul Gros. Yes, like me. So let's get into it. So in Capcut, had two default text. Just advance the second one to have something like this. Go to animation and search for the animation called type 2 over here. After that, go to the out animation and search for the blur animation. Perfect. Now scroll down to text again and select the shadow option. Put the opacity at 50%. So I used wonder for the first word and modern for the second one. You should have something like this. Now just change like the default text by the word you want to say. If you want more word to say, just copy and paste the layer, the text. So now let's create a component clip with all the text. We're gonna add like all the effect to add a little bit of spice on the subtitle. So to do that, let's add the ripple effects. Just go on effect and write ripple, so the first one, and copy these settings. So blur at 0%, twist at 50, strange at 50, and sharpen 0. That's it. And add the dreamy hello effect. So it's basically blur 0, filter 0, glow at 35, range at 0, sharpen 0, size 100, and soft light 100. So here's the final result. If you have to add subtitle on every single word of like a example 1-minute video, you don't have to do all those steps every single time. All you have to do is copy the text inside of the component clip and paste it outside of the component clip. Like this, you can just change the word. Here's how you can do it. So now I'm gonna just change the word to what I want to say. So if example you have to hide it on the video, just say what you're saying during this time. And again, you can just place it to have something clean like this. And after that, at the end, add a component clip. So again, add the ripple effect with the same stats. So blur 0, twist 50, strange 50, and sharpen 0. And after that, we're gonna add the dreamy hello effect. And again, with the same stat, blur at 0, filter at 0, glow at 35, and the range at 0%, sharpen 0, size 100, and soft light 100. If you want to add a little bit of more, you can add an overlay on top of the text to have something more custom and change the fusion mode at green. And you should have something like this. That's it. It was really easy, right? So don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Type on the comment what you want to learn in the future. Peace out.